The kitchen buzzes with excitement as the smart refrigerator takes center stage, introducing an improv comedy hour in a lively burst of wit. The blender, taking on the persona of a renowned mixologist, humorously shakes out imaginative drink combos, while the toaster chimes in with its bread puns, earning giggles all around. With its digital eyes twinkling, the fridge pauses the hilarity to weave in a motivational monologue, underscoring the significance of fresh ingredients and smart energy practices. The fun escalates as the dishwasher throws in some clean humor, uniting the gadgets in a chorus of clever retorts. Wrapping up the improv session, the fridge reiterates its mantra with a humorous flair: stay fresh, stay efficient, and let the laughter linger long after the party's end.